Welcome to chapter 3 of complete Jira training. And in this chapter, we are going to talk about three different ways to create work items or issues in Jira. So let's get started. The first way to create a work item or issue is to click on the plus button, plus create button at the top panel of the page. So you could say plus create, and that will give you a create issue window where you could select the space into which you want to create the work item and the work type of the work item. Work types are used to categorize the work items or issues that you're creating in the space. So a story could be a feature request, a bug is like a technical glitch, and epic is a large piece of work item that you're trying to create. So the current work item that I'm creating, I would like to categorize it to be a feature request, so that will fall under a story. And next, you could go ahead and give a summary to the work item. So I'm going to say test work item. If you see, summary, space, and work types are mandatory fields on the screen, and they are put up with a asterisk mark. There are different other fields on this page, but I'm going to talk about them in the upcoming sessions. For now, we're going to create this work item, right? This is the first way to go ahead and create a work item. The second way to go ahead and create a work item is to use the C key on your keypad, and that is going to give you a pop-up window to create a work item. And third way is to click on the dot or full stop on the keypad, and that is going to give you a window, and you can just say create. See, here you have a quick action of creating a work item, right? So these are the three different ways to create work items in Jira.